now I found I did not turn it on. Okay, so Windows. Mark is mad because I did not turn it on. Okay, we have our ice cream challenge today. And he bought for me what?
Mango, habanero,
Coconut.
yeah.
In Walmart, $1.99 is very cheap. And he has a butter pecan ice cream. Okay, let's see who will give up. And this is ice cream challenge. There you go, guys. Let's start. It's Friday, and then I'm gonna be making a pretty chicken. And then at the same time, magawa ko ng KAMOTE Q. Oh, guys. You know, I'm working every day. Now I'm going to be a third shift. Isang KAMOTE Q at the rest would be the saging. Ayan, natabunan pala kayo, guys. Sorry. Ituhin, yan. Ganyan ko siya. Slice. Kita ko lang din ito sa YouTube. Pero alam ko naman magawa. Prituhin muna. Ngayon, piprituhin ko kayo, ha? Doon tayo. Dali. Ilipat ko kayo doon. Kasi prito. Panawakan ko na lang doon. Bibili na ako ng ano. Titi, can you look at it? Please, and then stir it a little bit. And then put another 5 minutes. You know, it's a bad idea to shop in Hungary. Ito ko ng chopstick. Ayan kayo, guys. There. Look. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Unplug it. Go and eat. And then leave me some just because I have my look. This is the KAMOTE Q or sweet potato Q. That's how I make it. Here is the other side is my our meals. Ang ganda tingnan ng fire. Ayan pala yung bars. Tapos yung banana ko. Ha? That's the last. That's all? Okay, you eat first and then the rest will be my niece. Sweetie, that's a love salt because he like love salt. Sweetie, that is the remainder. I did not open the new bag. Maybe we open the mails today. Tomorrow is 12 to 6. Sweetie, you thought I have subway work today? It's so fun. Ang style ko, i-mix ko yung saging at saka KAMOTE Q. Island style. Ayan, tapos ilagay ko na ang kamote. Bahala na kayo mag-judge, guys. Don't judge me. Look. Lightning is so bright. Ano siya, guys? Minsan na, hinawakan ko yung camera kasi wala pa akong ano kaya ito. Wala, sobrang ano yung kamote ko. Tawag niyan, sobrang nipis. Naalala ko dati sa Pilipinas. Ako guys, mali naman yun sa akin. Ay, iba naman yun sa kanya lagi. So, sugar ko iba, nakakainis. Hindi siya magdikit. So, sugar, magdikit ka na. Bisaya style. Aileen style. Don't judge me, guys. Ayan. Next time, I'm gonna make it very a little bit thick. Dapat loose siya. Sikit na yung kamay ko. Dikit na yung sugar. Hindi pa yung nagdikit sa kamote Q ko. Are you full, sweetie? Hindi talaga sinunod. Hindi kasi nag-normalize yung ano. Lala ko ng high school pa ako. May banana kinatindahan. Tapos minsan hindi ko makabili kasi walang baon. Ganyan ako kapobre, guys. Ng high school. Swerte nga ngayon yung mga bata eh. Dati, wala akong baon. 5 pesos lang. Minsan, wala. Kasi si mama ko nasa probinsya sila. Tapos, hintay ako. Pupunta siya sa Glan. Tapos, minsan, bigyan na ako ng friend ko. Ayan. Patayin ko na. Ayan na siya, guys. Banana Q ko. Mamaya ko na ilagay sa tapos yan na siya, guys. Sarap. Kainin mo na. Uy. Parang banana Q talaga. Yeah, thank you for watching. Just now I found I did not turn it on. Okay, Windows. Mark is mad because I did not turn it on. Okay, we have a ice cream challenge today, and he bought for me what?
Mango, habanero,
Coconut.
coconut, yeah.
In Walmart, $1.99 is very cheap, and he has a butter pecan ice cream. Okay, let's see who will give up. And this is ice cream challenge. There you go, guys. Let's start. Guys, I think I lost because it's actually spicy. Why is the ice cream so spicy?
It's got habanero in it, like I said.
Oh my god, sweetie. You try?
Okay, I've tried it. Pretty good.
Then we switch then.
Oh, I don't want to split. It's not that good.
That good. I'm excited to mango, but
Well, I did not think ice cream could be that spicy.
guys, did you ever try a spicy ice cream before?
It's the first time I've ever tried it.
Oh, no, that's why we could. Oh my
Well, I
God.
knew we were going to have a challenge, so I knew that would slow you down.
I want.
You keep looking at mine.
I'm done. I think I lost. Guys, I lost.
Looks like you ate more than me.
Yeah, but I'm done.
You're spent. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Because it's so spicy.
Got me, got me.